Okay, good morning and welcome to another episode of 123 Technicals. This is like the first episode for this week. Yesterday we could not do any session because of my PC first was having issues and then there was no light at the office. So I didn't I couldn't host any session yesterday, but today back and we're coming with full force. Yeah. So on our fundamentals, we already have some high impact news on GDP. Yeah. That's their GDP. Yeah. For the monthly GDP, and then we have PPI on USD by 1:30, and then we have 7 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. So it's going to be quite eventful today. Yeah. So let's get started. So let's jump on our charts here and see what we can get. So let's start with AED-USD. So I need to change this whole system. This PC has been begging me to change it. Now trading view is not working. One sec, let me get this trading view up and running. See. Please now. What's my account? I will be back. Sorry about the delay, guys. Let me try to fix it up. This is crazy. This is just giving me a good price on this tab is working. This one is working. Let's start. Okay, good. Nice one. ADS is back on. So let's look at this. So basically, yeah, looking at this pair, we've been bearish for a while now. Yeah. And then we had this whole push, the break of structure, the pullback. So we tested these levels that was broken. I mean, these levels, this lower high that broke structure, they already pulled back, and then we broke it to the upside. Yeah, and immediately we came back into that range again. Right now, we're still bullish. I wouldn't say we're bearish yet, or maybe we're ranging. Yeah, because this was the low. This was the low that created that move to the upside, and price has not broken it yet. We just tapped inside, but have not broken it clearly yet. So I'll just wait to see if we're going to see something like this. We're going to see price come here. Yeah, just push up to break structure and then come back to the test. So that's how I'll be looking at it. Or if we're going to break it to the downside, whether price will actually come towards break these levels to the downside, then we can look towards that retest and then the continuation. So that's what I'll be looking out for EUSD. Then NZD-USD. NZD-USD is almost the same, but then NZD-USD is doing something different. That's why I feel like AUD-USD will not break structure to the downside. Yeah. So what we basically have on AUD-USD was some sort of a double bottom here. We broke structure, and then we tested these levels. I think we had an entry criteria on the lower time frame. Yeah, before this whole push to the upside. Then we came back again to retest this whole neckline properly. And you can see that it actually gave us a nice rejection candle, but that was around 3 a.m. I was now awake. Yeah. And then it was Asian session basically. So we started pushing up, but then that doesn't look like an impulse. So I'm waiting. If I see a break of structure to the downside, yeah. If I see price come to break these levels to the downside, then we just have that whole continuation, or have shifted towards a downtrend. Or another place I'm looking to see price break is what this high here. You understand? So once I see any of those, I'll be looking to see a retest of them. So if I see a break of structure to the downside, basically, I'll be looking to catch the next sell and shift my bias towards the sell bias. Or if I see price comes to the upside here, comes to break it to the upside, I'll be looking for that retest for the buy bias. Or at the same time, I'll watch how price will behave once it comes into these levels, this place that formed this candlestick, and see if it looks like it's giving other rejection candles again. I'll see what to take that buy to the upside. But basically, that's what I'm looking out for NZD-USD. Then Euro-USD. Euro-USD has been flat for a while. Yeah, so we have just been, I don't want to call it raging, but we've been tapping into this low for a long time now, and we have not done anything significant apart from yesterday. We actually broke structure to the upside. We broke this one levels to the upside, this high here. But then, as you can see, we now actually break this other one. I think we broke because candlesticks closed above, but then it was not really clear like that. We broke above. But at the same time, you can see that instead of price to give us that nice retest for the continuation, price is actually still tapping into these lows. It is still coming deep. So I'll still wait for Euro-USD to see what it wants to do properly. So, like how I'll be looking at Euro-USD today is, by the time price comes to break this level to the upside, it might actually form a structure. Depends. If this is how I put it, yes, my distance. If this point here, if this candlestick closes as a bearish candlestick, then we'll have the next one come to break this one. Then we'll have like a bullish structure. I mean, a bullish structure here because we'll have a break. We'll be looking to take a retest. But then if this candlestick is just a candlestick that is faking to the downside and then rejects massively to the upside, and we'll have one whole move that goes up. Then what I'll be looking at for is the break of this high is here instead. This one. This high is here. I'll be looking to what? I'll be looking to see price break this high, then come back to retest it, and then I'll take those buys. Basically, that's how I'm looking at it. Then another level, before I forget, another level that I would like you guys to pay attention to is this lows that price has been tapping into for long now. Yeah, watch how it's behaving there. If you see what a retest, if you see a break, then we can look to what catch a retest for start continuation. So that's basically what I have on Euro USD. Then GBP USD, the man itself. Let's take a look at GBP USD. Oh, GBP USD is even worse. So GBP USD broke this structure yesterday, but then it still came back inside again to break this one, to break the downside. So it's more of like it's turned bullish, then turned bearish almost immediately. So we had this whole push to the upside. We had that break. We had that break of structure. Then price came back down to break structure. And you can see now it's rejecting from these levels here. If we get that sell to the downside, then we can be looking to pick around these levels here. So what we're looking out for is that break of structure to the downside, then price coming back to what the test it towards the continuation to the downside. So that's how we're looking at Euro USD. GBP USD. So I've looked at all my pairs. You guys can drop suggestions on what pairs you want us to take a look at before we go. And if you have any questions, you can ask now. Nice time. What questions do you guys have for me? EJ, as you know, JPY is actually nice. I like the structure. It's actually respecting price action. He's respecting my whole break and other stuff. So there's Euro JPY pushed down again, and then broke structure. It came back to us, retest the neckline, and then now it has hit TP basically. If you actually took that buy from the downside here. So now, where is our high levels here, and where is our low? This one here. So what we can do now basically, those are our points of interest there. What we can do now basically see if price will come back down to break this level down and look for a retest. Do you understand? Or another way you can look at it is to see if price will actually continue and then was break to the upside. Then we can look for that retest to the upside. So that's basically it on EJ. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Okay. If there are no pairs, then please, you guys should always keep an open mind to the market here, and always wait for your setups to form. Do you get? Don't waste your money on low probability setups. Always wait for those high probability setups, guys. I think someone said it's okay. Gold. I don't trade gold, but let's see. You guys love gold. Gold is a very popular figure among you guys. Gold is doing the same thing USD has been doing, So basically, this is that whole sell that came with NFP, and then see the flat moves. Price has just been ranging in that level, and then we broke this level yesterday, and we came back and we not retest it. So it's quite tricky right now. It's to wait until we see a clear break, and it came back and it's doing. I don't know whether it's this not even. I don't want to say it's head and shoulders. It's not head and shoulders. It's not head and shoulders. The thing that you can basically watch out to see is if you have that sell to the downside, then we'll look for that retest, basically. Or if price will basically react from this level here, that has basically come here, break up. Sorry. Come here to break up, then we'll retest it for what it consideration. So that's basically what I'm doing now for gold. Then Euro JPY, it's created a double top. Euro JPY, where did it create a double top? This thing where you guys Where's the double top on Euro JPY? Is it this one you're calling a double top? It's not a double top yet. Until you see that break of structure to the downside, that's when we'll have a double top. Do you understand? Oh, who made that comment? Diwali. Yeah, Euro JPY has not formed a double top. Now let me explain something. A double top is not just because of price coming and then tapping these levels again. Do you understand? Price can just reject here a bit and then will still continue going. Do you understand? What makes this level, this thing a double top is until you see that break of this neckline here. This higher low that basically will push price to the upside. Once you see that break of structure, then we have a double top. Do you understand? That's what a double top is. That's when a double top forms. It's not just by that test. Do you understand? Can you hear me? Please, is Adewale still with us? Okay, no worries. So, like I said, always keep an open mind to the markets, guys, and wait for your high probability setup. I'll see you guys same time tomorrow, hopefully. And please stay safe out there. I wish you guys a very wonderful trading day. Oh, let's go and make some money, guys. Later, guys. And for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page and drop some comments on what you want to see more of the page. And follow the page on Instagram at 123_Forex. No, 123_Forex. Yes, that's 4REXX. Okay, later, guys.